Meaning of grommet.
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 Grommet. A grommet is a small metal or plastic ring used to reinforce a hole or to protect the material surrounding a hole. Typically, grommets are inserted into holes in fabric or leather to prevent tearing or fraying. They can also be used to guide ropes or cables through a hole in a material. Grommets come in a variety of sizes and shapes depending on their intended use. They are commonly used in shoes, tarps, and banners, among other things. Overall, grommets provide a strong and durable solution for reinforcing and protecting holes in various materials.